Never imagined my life being what it is today. I'm able to pay my bills. I'm about to take a vacation. I've been clean going on 2 years. I came to Kitchens for Good, like you guys, helpless, labeled, but this definitely changed my life. Instead of being grateful to be released from jail, like I'm grateful that I'm not going there again. If you can turn like, oh man, I gotta go to work, to thank God I got a job, your whole life will change.
I've been in and out of the prison system for the last 10 years due to drug addiction. I thought my life is over. I didn't think I can make it.
I've been doing time since I was a kid. Most of my prison terms and everything have been because I was selling drugs or had possession of drugs. Once you're in the system, it's hard to get out of it if you don't know how. Prison is a revolving door. They don't give you much hope when you get out.
Coming out of prison isn't easy to find a job. A lot of people look down on you. I've been to interviews where as soon as I tell them I have been incarcerated, interview's over. That's it. Because they do look at us as somebody they don't want to take a chance on.
It was so hard for me to get a job. Just the background alone would kill any chance I had. And that's what would lead me back to just doing what I was doing because, I'd have to support myself, I have to survive. And if I can't get a job, then I'm just gonna go back to selling drugs because it's a quick buck. I got to the point in my life where I'm just like, you know what? I can't keep doing this. I started looking into culinary classes for people like me. That's when somebody sent me over to Kitchens for Good.
Kitchens for Good tackles issues of food waste, hunger, and poverty through kitchens. Our culinary job training program serves men and women who are transitioning out of homelessness, foster care, and incarceration. It's estimated that about 70% of formerly incarcerated individuals are unemployed.
I've been in hospitality, I've been in the kitchens all my life, and so I understand the kitchen side of this, but I also understand the population that we serve. I have been in many of the bad places that our students have been. I understand them. And so we as an organization understand them. And that's why at the top of our organizational structure is the students.
So this is what you're looking for? Taste that? All right.
We train 100 students a year, and among our graduates, we have an 87% success rate of our students remaining employed in the culinary and hospitality industry.
Once you reduce down for about another minute, you want to add more. See how it's starching up and creamy?
Yes, sir.
Now you're at the right spot.
This program teaches a lot more than knife skills. It really teaches life skills. We're really trying to offer those services to help students understand what it takes to get a job and then that support that they need to keep it as well.
So many times we go into the interview and if we have a background that's all you think they're going to be saying about you, they should not be asking that question, but you still have to be prepared to answer in case they do. Practice it out loud. Say the words so that you feel confident when they ask the question, and they might. We have a really strong network of people and alumni and love so that the students know that they have a resource to come back to that will always have a door open.
I actually was in your guys' seat last year. Today I am a manager at Guanghan Grill. I've never accomplished anything besides doing a prison term or a jail term. So graduating was a little scary, but they taught me that I'm not alone. Just knowing that you have this family helped me push forward.
We open the door, but it's the students that walk through it and do all the work.
Kitchens for Good has made it super possible for us to have a job. This time I got out, I got the opportunity and the chance to go to Kitchens for Good and have these people there, and they're not just people, it's like family. Anytime I had any problems or I felt like I didn't have enough confidence to get through the day, they're there to help you out. Kitchens for Good was a place where I was able to become something. It gave me self-confidence, it's given me motivation. I was able to refine who I am today. It's been a blessing, it's been a life-changing experience.
Once I started doing the class, oh man, it changed my life in so many different ways. Now I'm the sous chef here at Uptown Tavern. When I first came for the interview, they just asked me to tell them about myself, where I'm coming from. And I told them, hey, I'm at Kitchens for Good. They're like, oh, really? Oh, that's great. So you got little knife skills? I say, I got great knife skills. What gives me the greatest pleasure is that people love the food that I cook. I got that little creativeness to me, you know, so I throw a little bit of this, throw a little bit of that, and I'm like, ooh, that actually works.
I'm very proud of myself. I feel very successful, and this is only the beginning. I don't tell people I have a job. I say, oh yeah, I have a career. I'm a sous chef at Cueva Bar right there on Adams Avenue. Come on down. We sell tapas. I get to make magic in the kitchen. That's how I see it. I'm making magic.
Before, I never really smiled. I never really laughed. You know me now? Oh man, I'm a riot. I could see the different reaction from people when I'm walking down the street. People smile at me. It makes you feel human. It took me a while to like get there, but I think I'm there. Some of us do want to change, but we just need that extra little help, that extra little guidance. Kitchens for Good provided all that for me. If food could change my life, I'm pretty sure it could change anybody's life.